Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error 10,008 on CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go through all of your media and you want to double click on it and see if the audio and the video are both working. So if you go through some of these clips and you find out that maybe the video isn't playing or the audio isn't playing for that specific clip, what you want to do is delete it from your timeline. Now once you've done that, export your video again, see if it works. If you keep getting the error, what you need to do is go through all of them and make sure you've checked every single clip so that you've deleted all the corrupted clips. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is come to ratio here, click custom, and then you can change the resolution. So for example, you might want to lower it to 1280 by 720. This isn't always ideal because obviously you want to have a high quality video, but this error can be caused by not having enough processing power, and lowering the resolution will make it easier to process. Now you can feel free to try again, or you could try all of these solutions and then export. So what you want to do is come to the menu, click settings, and then here you can see the cache. Now what you want to do is delete this. So just come down here and click on the bin. You will have to close your current project before you do this. And you can also set it up so it auto deletes if you want. Another step you can take is go back to the menu, go to settings, and we're going to come over to performance. Now the top one here where it says speed up hardware encoding, we're going to want to disable this. Click save and try and export your project once again. If this still isn't working, we'll go back to the basics, make sure your internet is working, make sure you're updated to the latest version. Now guys, if everything else fails, what I recommend doing is uninstalling CapCut completely and reinstalling it onto your computer. But this should be caused by a corrupted clip most likely, or a lack of processing power. So if you can increase your processing power, if you made sure the clips that are corrupted have all been deleted, then you should have fixed the error. So there you go guys, I hope this was helpful and I'll catch you again soon.